Angela Wolf, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make bias tape if you buy one of these cute little machines. And I don't work for simplicity. I'm just telling you, I bought this, and it is, at first I thought, I'm not so sure. But this is the easiest thing ever, and I'm going to show you how easy. So, this is silk, 100% silk, that I made bias from. This machine actually comes like this. It's a little box. A little plug-in, very easy to use. And this is what it's made of. So it has an on and off switch, very easy to use. And then these here. This is what you're going to wrap your fabric on. The fabric will wrap over this. It comes with this here. You must recognize this. We used to have had these for years where you slide your fabric through, but usually you do it by hand. This does it all for you. Here's this little piece. This is the part that I got a little stuck with. Push it back and lift it up. And what's under here, this is like an iron. This is very hot. And this here moves. So when I hit run, it's not ready yet. When it's ready and I hit run, this will actually move with these two rollers here and slide your fabric right out the other side. Here, oh, now it says ready. Here, it'll allow you to have the iron set to whatever temperature fabric you have. So I'm using silk. So with silk, actually, when I had it on the silk setting, it didn't work as well. So I moved it a little bit higher, well, just a little bit higher. Not all the way to the wool, but a little bit higher. The hotter the iron, the better the bias tape turns out. So this slides right back on here, just like this. And then once I wrap all the fabric through, I hit run. When I hit run, this is what moves and pulls your fabric out. So let me show you how easy this is. You're going to cut fabric strips. These are bias fabric strips. Okay, so you cut the bias strips 2 inches wide. And there was a little slot there. Just roll your fabric right onto this. Very simple to do. Roll it all the way to the end, and then there's a little slot here for you to set that in, right there. You're going to lift your fabric over this little bar here. I have the tip of my fabric cut on an angle, like a little diagonal. It's easier to get your fabric to slide into this little contraption here. There's a pin, there's a little hole in the top, so I'm using a pin to slide the fabric through. And it pulls through just like that. Now you want the fabric to go onto this little thing center-wise. Alright, now we're going to lift up the part with the iron. That's going to pull through here. You want to line everything up so it's even. If it's not, then your fabric will start to get skewed. And you need to pull this through enough that it can get past that roller so it'll start pulling your fabric out. Slide that back on. See, I have the fabric out just a little bit. And you hit the go button, and that's it. I usually like to help make sure everything's lined up on both ends, and I help pull it out a little bit also. Sometimes it can get, the lighter fabric can get stuck in there, so here's a little closer look for you. And it comes out. Absolutely perfect. Look at how good that looks. So you could use this for bias wrapping your seams, edging. It's just so fun. And it's so easy to do. That's it. Now a lot of times I will take this and then fold it and press it again. So then you have perfect tape. So that's how easy it is to make bias tape. This is such an addictive machine and it's so cheap to buy, so I hope you have fun.